This is the elevator here at JCPenney at Southland Mall in Hayward, California. This was a Montgomery elevator. Look at that door frame. Oh, black button. Oh man. Oh, it had the white buttons. That is quite the motor. Man, why did they have to modernize this thing? They could have kept one of the COPs original. Man, innovation, the indicators don't even work. It's literally a big stainless steel box now. Let's go again because the motor is good. That's about it. Just watch the button then. Yeah, see? That's the only thing left that's original. Everything else is replaced. Oh, look at these lights back here. That would have been cool. I don't know what the original cab looked like. Oh well. People out here. I think, yeah.